I'm Jess and I'm a researcher here at CliniKids. Today we'll be talking about a recent paper that explores how fine motor skills are linked with expressive language in school-aged autistic children. There have now been a number of studies that show that early childhood motor development is related to later language skills. Now, this makes sense because it takes the coordination of many complex oral motor movements to produce speech. Language is important for everyday communication and for social interactions, and estimates suggest that around 30% of autistic children are minimally verbal into their school years. There's less information though about these motor-language relationships in school-aged children. The researchers in this study recruited 90 autistic children from 4 to 7 years of age. The Vineland was used as a parent report measure of fine motor skills as well as a measure of adaptive behaviours. A 15-minute parent-child interaction was recorded to measure 3 aspects of expressive language. Speech, measured by how intelligible the child's speech was to an unfamiliar listener, structural language or a measure of grammatical complexity, and social language use, measured by the number of conversational turns between the child and their parent. Just over half of the children in this study were classified as minimally verbal based on having 20 or less different words during this 15-minute interaction. The results showed a number of predictive links between fine motor and expressive language skills. Fine motor skills significantly predicted speech intelligibility for minimally verbal but not for verbal children, and both fine motor scores and adaptive behaviours were related to language complexity, with these domains predicting grammatical complexity. Parent-reported adaptive behaviour was found to predict the number of conversation turns. The findings of this study really highlight these links between fine motor skills and adaptive behaviour and language in school-aged autistic children, particularly those who are minimally verbal. Further research should be undertaken to explore whether fine motor support programs may assist expressive communication development and be used in conjunction with interventions targeting expressive language.